What is up, guys? Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new lead in Zoho CRM. So first, you need to head over to Zoho CRM website by just simply typing crm.zoho.eu. And after that, here on the left side, you can see the leads section. Click on this leads, and then on the right side, you can see the create lead option. Click on this create lead, and after clicking here, you need to enter the lead image, the lead owner, the first name of the lead owner, and after that, you need to write the email, and you just need to you can set the Mr. and Mrs. in the first name. You need to write the email, the fax, the website, the number of employees, the Skype ID if you have it, and then the company name, the last name. And when you have entered all these details, you can click on save to save the lead, and after clicking on save, a new lead will be created. So you can just convert this, edit this, or when you click on the three dots, you can delete it, tune it, you can print the preview. And these are some of the options that you can use to customize this lead. So this is how you can create a lead in Zoho CRM. Also for the sheet, everyone. Thank you for watching.